Wisconsin. You can see that it's pretty nice country, and we'll be there in about an hour. This is the wayside rest here. Shows a large boat coming up here on the Mississippi. Lake Pepin is a large bulge in the Mississippi, and it's got some fairly large bluffs, so it's kind of neat. Very beautiful area here, just really beautiful.
This is a lovely house with outbuildings along the beautiful Lake Pepin. The owner, and also a member of the art colony group that I am a member of, has graciously invited us for a plein air paint out. I am really excited to paint it. This is a close-up of the paint holder and oil paints that I use. First, titanium white, French ultramarine blue, cerulean blue, sap green, lemon yellow, yellow ochre, burnt umber, cad red light, alizarin crimson, and purple. One artist has set up closer to the house with many others in other parts of the property. You can see that I have begun to apply some color notes. Here I am telling a local visitor about the sun and how it can throw off your values. I had to move my whole setup as the sun moved into my shaded area, and it was making things a bit difficult to judge values. I have to apologize for the quality of some of these images, as I forgot my video camera and did all the filming of this video with my iPhone. In addition, my phone's battery was on its last leg, down to 2%, and it meant that I could only take a couple of photos, and I had to dispense with the art instruction I typically provide in my videos. However, I will provide better art instruction and painting information on my future videos. Please subscribe, like, ring the bell, comment, and share. Until next time, bye.